Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your FamilySearch account with Ancestry, MyHeritage, and FindMyPast. So first you'll go to FamilySearch.org and you will sign in. Once you've signed in, your name should appear up in this top right-hand corner. And then you will open a new tab by clicking this little plus sign up here, and you'll type in FamilySearch Partner Access. This will search Google for this news article, so you'll click on all Latter-day Saint members, including youth, and it'll pull up this news article about FamilySearch. So if you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, then you automatically get these 3 accounts for free. So here you can sign up for Ancestry, FindMyPast, and MyHeritage. Although I only use Ancestry, you might find that FindMyPast and MyHeritage are more helpful for your specific family lines. I know that FindMyPast and MyHeritage often specialize in Scottish, Welsh, and English lines, whereas Ancestry has a lot of global heritage lines available. So here you'll click sign up for free, and I would recommend using the same username and password that you use on LDS.org or ComeUntoChrist.org or FamilySearch. I use the same one, so you'll click sign in to connect your account. And then I already have a FamilySearch account and an Ancestry account, so that's why it's saying this. However, your screen will prompt you to create username and create a password. And once you do that, it will ask you what language you want Ancestry to be in. And then you will complete the same process for FindMyPast and MyHeritage. And then once you do that, you can go to FamilySearch and click on your tree. And you can just click on any person that is deceased. And to make sure that you have linked your accounts correctly, you'll click on their profile. And this is Jess Eugene Pate's profile. And if you scroll down a little bit over here on the right-hand side, you can click on Ancestry, FindMyPast, or MyHeritage. And this is just saying that it's going to open a new tab, so click OK. And it will search Ancestry for all of the Jess Eugene Pates. So now I can look through all of their records and see if any of these people on these records are my ancestor. So that is how you know that you've connected your account correctly. If you have any questions about the process that I just went through, drop it in the comments and I will get back to you.